I think I said something wrong about the page. This is morphology. And I think I said 9.1. I believe I forgot that I started to create a section, abbreviations in this section. And that should have been 9.1, probably 9.2, and I will get back to that. So I guess if you're taking notes, as I've asked, it'd be on maybe 9.3 now, toward the bottom. In any case, this is morphology. I'm going on with nouns. See, when I was teaching public school, I could go up to a kid's desk and open his notes and take a look to see where I was. There is no such kid that I can look at their notes, so I have to just try to remember. All right, nouns, they inflect. Well, QV 8 point something. I'll talk about inflect again in the 8th section, which is linguistics. QV, of course, means quod vide, which see, go check it out. I'll have a little bit more to say in that section. But I'll tell you now, what that means is they change their endings. Inflections are changes in the endings of words. Well, nouns inflect for various reasons. And here are the 3 reasons, at least in English. Number. Well, when you talk about number, there's a QV 8 point something. I'm going to, in the next video, we're going back to linguistics, and I'm going to write some of this stuff down again, because this is true of so many languages. Number, in English, there are basically 2 numbers as far as the language is concerned. There's 1 and more than 1. We call them singular and plural. Well, henceforth, that's going to be sing for singular, and plural is going to be PL for more than 1. So really, when you speak about grammar, you can only count to 2 numbers, singular, plural. That's it. Well, for example, dog. If it is singular, we got dog. If it's plural, we put a z on the end of it, dogs. And I'll have a little bit more to say about other changes that occur. But I have 1 dog, I have 2 dogs. That's an inflection. Right there is the inflection. Another reason that nouns will inflect is because of what's called case. I should really box these. Number, case. These are so important. Case. Well, in English, case is not very strong. As a matter of fact, inflections in general are not real strong in English. But we do have them. If I say the dog has a bone, well, that's called the subjective case, henceforth subj. The dog has a bone. But then if I say the bone is the dog's, or the bone is the dog's bone, now I've got a z on there again. Sounds the same as this, but it's spelled differently. We use an apostrophe. That's called the possessive case. It shows possession, P-O-S. Then there's the objective case. Well, if I say I feed the dog, dog is not the subject in the sentence, it's the object. And it's the same, though. I mean, dog, it's the same. But I'll show you that in other languages that is not the case. And with pronouns, you'll be able to see that. In English, you can see the objective case. But that can make nouns change. And then gender. I forgot to give the example. Gender. Well, there's 2 genders in English. Well, no, there's 3, actually. There's 3 genders in English, but I'm just trying to show you the way nouns will change according to gender, and for masculine and feminine. If you talk about an actor, well, an actor, right there. But if that actor is a woman or a girl, it's not an actor anymore. Now it's an actress. And what has made the ending there change is what's called gender. Okay, that's kind of quick. Now I want, in the next video, I want to jump to linguistics and talk once again about these things. So in a way, I'm going to run over this again, but I'm going to run over it in the linguistics section. So come back.